U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Meg Whitman says the United States International Development Finance Corporation has offered 1.2 billion shillings for electric bus assembling in Kenya. Here's Allan Aoko with that story for you.
Speaking during a visit at the Kenya Vehicle Manufacturers Plant in Thika, U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Meg Whitman said the capital injection will accelerate the assembly of electric buses for use as public service vehicles. This is expected to reduce emissions and create green jobs.
I'm very excited about EVs. I mean, EVs are the future of, I think, Africa and the world. And green industrialization and green jobs have got to be a big part of Kenya's growth and generation of good jobs.
We are currently proud to produce, in partnership with Kenya Vehicle Manufacturers, 5 vehicles per month. Our goal is to be raising that to 20 vehicles per month in the coming months, with the overall aim of delivering 1,000 electric buses here in Kenya in the next 3 years.
To power the electric vehicles private sector, players are heavily investing in charging stations along key roads, shopping malls, bank branches and residential apartments.
You can't just solve the manufacturing problem. You can't just bring the vehicle. When you think about an electric vehicle, you have to think about the charging. You have to also think about the service and maintenance.
Projections are that there will be more than 1,000 locally assembled electric buses on Kenyan roads in the next 3 years. Allan Aoko, Prime Edition.